Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring hardware is ready. Detach or fold the keyboard, confirm touchscreen and pen respond, and plug in power if low. Open Action Center and toggle tablet mode or go to Settings System Tablet to switch. Once done, make sure Auto Rotate is enabled and set preferred orientation. This prevents awkward rotations when you move. I'll show why these steps matter. They let Windows present a touch-first interface so gestures, apps, and virtual keyboards work smoothly without extra tweaks. Next, learn the core interactions. Swipe from the left for Task View and from the right for Action Center. Swipe down from top to close apps. Use two-finger scrolling and pinch to zoom in supported apps. Open Start and use the touch keyboard for typing, long press keys for symbols. Adjust display scaling in settings to enlarge touch targets and enable easier tapping in app settings when needed. These steps improve speed and accuracy because touch-friendly layouts reduce missed taps and accidental gestures. Finish by customizing quick actions in Action Center, locking rotation if you prefer one orientation, and setting power options for battery life. Learn a few keyboard shortcuts you'll use when reattaching a keyboard. Windows+D to show desktop, Alt+Tab to switch, and Win+L to lock. If the touchscreen or gestures become unresponsive, restart Windows first, then recalibrate touch in Control Panel and update display or touch drivers. That single troubleshooting tip, restart then recalibrate, often fixes drift or mistaps without deeper fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.